am so excited to see all of you and to really have this conversation that we're calling Leadership in Color. We do have an exciting day of curated conversations and workshops and panel discussions that are going to allow you to deeply dive into who you are and learn the practices and the tools to lead in your leadership in color and also to show up for other women.
So my job today is to help you have a better understanding of yourself, better understanding on your skills, but most importantly, communicate it. I think it's just dangerous to think that you have to be totally confident to do something, before to do something. I think it's because we do things, therefore we develop our confidence.
Unless I am understanding who I am, unless I'm regulated, guess what? It's kind of hard to be able to receive and understand the emotions of someone else. Because the more we don't set boundaries, we allow people to treat us a way that makes us feel uncomfortable, the less we're able to really show up and be authentic or feel safe enough to be authentic.
What is your personal brand? Because your personal brand is your identity. It's who you are. You're not responsible for changing people's minds about who you are. You can't. You're only responsible for showing up as who you are and doing the hard work necessary to be able to live in that alignment of who you are.
Impactful leadership requires courage and the ability to make decisions.
It's a mindset to have that belief, like that you don't work for me, you work with me. It's a mindset.
Knowing your whys will definitely help you to challenge difficulties because you are going to meet them for sure.
We're doing this together. It's not just me at the top and then, taking the credit for everything and anything. No, we're doing this together and we cannot work by ourselves. We can't be just alone at the top. That doesn't exist.